How to see Apple ID password 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Apple IDs and how you can see your passwords. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your settings. And once you're in your settings, you're going to go over to your account over here. Now, once you come over to your account, you're going to click on password and security. Now, once you do password and security, wait for it to load up. Now, once your password and security loads up, phone number attached to your Apple ID, because without that, you won't be able to see your password. Okay. So simply wait for it. Once you've made sure that there's a phone number attached, what you're simply going to do from there is you're going to click on sign out. Okay. And once you sign out of your Apple ID, what happens from there is basically it goes ahead and sets you up with the forgot your password setting. Add the phone number from password and security to forgot your password, and it should show you your current password and give you the option to either add a new password or stay with the old one. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.